Now we're going to look at sharing content via Zoom. As host, as co-host, I'm able to share content being a Microsoft Word document, a PowerPoint, an image, a video, whether it's on the internet through my web browser or if I have the video saved. I can also share sound alone. Say again, I have the YouTube video playing and I do not want the video itself to be shown, but I do want the song to be heard. I can share that alone. So let's try that out. So the bottom of the screen, there's the share screen option. Click on that. And we have the basic option. And the first thing I'm seeing is whiteboard. Let's try it out. Click whiteboard, click share. And I can draw on my whiteboard. Click stop share. Okay. Next thing, let's go back. And in basic again, I see I have a folder open. I have YouTube video through my web browser. I have an actual video showing here. Now to show a video, I want to select these two options at the bottom here. Share computer sound and optimize screen sharing for video clip. When you're sharing a video, ensure that these two are selected. Obviously, you want to share the sound. You want to, anyone who's participating, you want them to hear the sound of your video. Therefore, you're selecting that. And the optimized screen sharing is, of course, to ensure that the participant sees the video in the best way. So let's look at YouTube. Click on YouTube. I have a video already up here. And I'm going to play. And I can full screen.
Pradeep, how can one become the person everyone likes?
Alright, and I can stop sharing. Then I can go back and I can maybe select a saved video to show. So I select my saved video, which I have open in Windows Media Player. I can click again, make sure these two options at the bottom are there. Click share. And it's showing my video. Alright. Now, yes, my video is showing very small here, but the participants will see it full size, right? They're not going to see as I'm seeing it. I am sharing the content, so I need to find all the material and then share it like that. Last thing is to share the sound alone. So I want to make sure to take these off. Let's go to advanced. And there's music or computer sound only that I can share. And that way the participant will only hear the song or music or sound. They will not see anything. What they're going to see is actually what we're seeing right now on Zoom. And the next thing, this will be the last thing, is that I can share on the chat as well. I can share a file from my computer. I can share a file from one of my cloud options. Or I can copy and paste a link. So let's go back to YouTube, copy that, go back into Zoom, and I can paste. So I'm right-clicking to copy, right-click to paste, and press enter. And that enables the participant to get that link, to open that link from the chat. And that's it.